Good morning, everyone. Gosh, this is the largest day of people passing 550K take profit accounts that I have ever seen. Guys, I'm going to give a shout out right now. We're going to go over the charts in depth, look over how these metrics are performing. Literally just this morning, look at some potential profits that you yourself can pull out and also see the success that so many people are seeing. You guys, let's start it off right now. First one, Jason Bell. Congratulations on passing all 550K of your accounts. Let's go to another one here. We also have Kimberly. Congratulations on passing these accounts. And also another one here. We also have Matthew. Matthew, congratulations. All three of you. What have all three of these people done? Well, what they end up doing is sending over a screenshot of all 5 of their accounts in the pro status. I'll show you guys this just for transparency. Every one of them have done this. What does this now get them? Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Anyone who goes through Take Profit Trader and uses My Future Success as the promo code, not only do you get all the discounts, the best discounts possible, once you go to Pro and send me a screenshot, just like this is going to get you added to every private call that I do completely free. Guys, I do one-on-one trainings. That is a fee for that. I do have a live trading team that goes live Tuesdays and Thursdays. That's a paid monthly thing. This is completely free, 100% free. It's every first and third Friday of the month, and I get on with these elite members because they've earned the right to get to 550K accounts to give the best education. We are going to make weekly competitions, monthly competitions, and I also have the ability to do giveaways as well. This is incredible. So congratulations to all of those people. I also want to update you on my own personal accounts. So guys, let's just go over here. If I go to Take Profit, I showed you guys yesterday the accounts. Here is Pro on my own accounts. You can see Justin Martin up here. These are all 5 of my accounts as well. So all 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 550K accounts approved and active. The most recent ones were the ones I passed in 3 days and had to just take a couple of days to do quick little trades and ended up doing so. So right now, a total of 20 50K accounts have been passed in combination between myself and 3 other people. Absolutely amazing. Now, what are these people doing? If this seems like a stretch for something that you can do, it is not a stretch. Guys, seriously, let's look over these signals that are populated on the chart here and just go over exactly how to manage these. Look at potential profit. This is literally just price action this morning. So if you were trading this morning and you're asking yourself, hey, it was a little bit difficult. Is there a way to simplify trading, simplify what I'm looking at in the markets? Guys, this is exactly it. So, something I really like to do is I look at these buy and sell signals. Now, this has a setting on here that actually is without the MA filter on, and then I'm going to turn it off here in a second. So this is showing all the signals possible, essentially giving what I call a triple R or triple G method. So if you're new to this channel, what is a triple R and what's a triple G? Well, guys, the reason I designed these metrics is to do something as simple as green with go, red with stop, or short, I guess you could say. When these signals are populated, it has to have a few things in line, in combination, right? So let me blow this up down here on the bottom so you look at this more. What has to happen when you get a sell signal or buy signal? Well, background has to be red. The profit wave has to be red. Your 200 EMA, if you have it checked on, has to be red, and you have to have a strong bearish Hiekin Ashi candle to the downside. Full body, wick out the bottom. Take it one step further, and you look at your money momentum down here. As long as this is shifting down, that's another great indication. Entry, and you can play this all the way down. Max potential profit, of course, is going to be down here, 84 points. No one's going to get 84 points. I'm just going to show that there. I'm going to show you guys something in a second. Again, buy signal, illuminated right here. Entry, max potential profit, 18 points. Sell signal came in afterwards. Max potential profit, 15. Buy signal, did at any time this white dot close below the profit wave? Nope, not until here, 70 points. Actually, let's go this one here and let's look at this one, 34. You're looking at 34 points, 84 points, 18, 15, and 70. Let's actually go over to the right here a little bit just to look at these because these just populated in here. This would have been one on here. That would have been a loser. So this one changed colors right here for 6 points. Okay, let's look at that. How many signals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go 6. This looks like it's going to be a winning buy signal here. So you won 5 out of 6 trades on here. What do I want you to do? Are you going to hit max potential profit on all these? Absolutely not. No one can predict the bottom. No one can predict the top. But what can you do to get some very good, successful results out of this? Guys, on the 1 minute time frame, what I want you to do with these 50K accounts through Take Profit, I want you to just trade with 5 micros. That's it. And I want you to shoot for 10 points at a time. What is that going to do? It's going to take this, where this ranged 30 points, this ranged 80 points, and you're taking a third, an eighth, 50%, and almost this amount here. So do this, adjust this, okay? Go for 10 points. Where's 10 points? That's it right here. Okay, we got 10 points. I'm just going to do this rough to make this a little bit quicker. 10 points, 10 points. You adjust this to about 10 points. Now, why am I saying just 10 points? Guys, there's something very, very powerful which fall in love with 10 points with the NQ futures. And trading with 5 micros, the math is super, super simple. What does this do? You know, this will actually give you $100 per winning trade. Now, if you have 5 accounts, that's $500. So you're telling me right here, buy signal, entered in. Literally a minute afterwards, candle closed, $500. Sell signal. See this? Price action came down. 1 minute later, another $500. You got $1,000. Right here, buy signal. 1 minute later, spiked up, $1,500. Sell signal, entry, 10 points down, $2,000. Buy signal, 1 minute later, $2,500. Sell signal right here. This ended up coming back up this way, 500, let's say. Actually, not even 10 points. It was less than that. So you're looking at a $2,500 profit just on the screen alone this morning that you're looking at right now. Live action right in front of you. Now, look at this too. Because how long does this actually take? From start to finish, let's just go here to here. Hour 27 minutes. I want you to break this down and do something like this. Only spend a half an hour to maybe an hour max on your charts. Okay? What is the time frame that I love to trade? You guys know me. I love to wait the first half an hour to hour market open. What does that do? It does this. It consolidates it to this area. Now, half an hour to an hour of market open, 50 minutes, about this area here. What has this done? This has given you better signals into the market. Now, what is your win rate? 100%. 1, 2, and 3. You've won all 3 of these trades. 500, 500, 500. That's $1,500. Again, how did I come up with $1,500? 5 micros. That's it. 5 micros per account is $100. You have 5 take profit accounts linked together. That's $500. 500, 1,000, $1,500. Can you ask yourself within, 30 minutes to make $1,500, would you do it? Not only would you do it, is it possible? Well, guys, yes, it is absolutely possible. And it's how so many people have already passed multiple take profit accounts. And like this morning showing you guys that's exactly what these people are doing. They're not doing anything special. There's not another screen they're looking at. They're just using these metrics, sticking to consistency, and having money be the last priority. And guess what? They're now in pro, and now they can do withdrawals every single day once they build the buffer. Guys, to be able to grab access to these metrics, all these people end up doing and getting on this elite team over here for this 550K account is you guys can grab all these metrics right now. I don't know if you guys realize this. For lifetime access, never pay any monthly service fees ever. Ever. You don't have to. This is one time. If I ever do upgrades, we're on version 5 right now, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all those are completely free. I will never charge you guys for that ever. If you're someone that wants to go in, and actually this Thursday, shout out, I have a one-on-one training this Thursday. If you guys want to do more in-depth one-on-one training with myself, the founder, you guys have access to that. Now, also, if you're someone who's like, hey, Justin, I love this. I want to see this done in live action. We have that available too. You know, I partner with Ron, who's got 20 plus years of experience of trading himself and also coaching. And guess what? You can now do this where every month you can now get on every Tuesday and Thursday for a live trading session from 7 to 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And in addition to that, we've thrown in a couple other training days for education on Wednesday and Sunday. But the live trading session, literally going over every buy and sell signal that populates from 7 to 9:30 on the 1 minute time frame. We go over every single one of those, and we look at potential profit, risk management, and how to play it. Guys, this is not a trade alert system. This is an educational platform. Doesn't mean that people aren't making money. No. Of course, people are able to take trades, and that is done on their own behalf. That is not on us. We are not legal financial advisors. I am not a financial advisor, and neither is Ron. This is for educational purposes only and entertainment. But you guys, there's a lot of opportunities where if done on your own, don't look at this as get in here, get out there. I want to follow a system like that. Follow this and learn a valuable skill that you can take on for years and years to come. If that is what I can give to all of you guys for 2025 and this year, then I've done my job. If I haven't done that, then I haven't done my job. What I want to do for you guys is to get on here as many mornings as possible, show you my own accounts. Now over here again, just showing you guys, all 5 of these are now in pro status. So is it possible for myself to pass these? Yes. I've done this many, many times for you guys to see before. But not only myself, is it possible for other people? Yeah, extremely possible. Matthew, again, congratulations. Kimberly, congratulations. And also Jason, congratulations. Every single one of you, I have added you to the private Zoom call that's going to be done on this Friday, and you'll be added on right away. You guys are amazing. You are family. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please take care. God bless.